Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, Chicago 811. How's it doing? Hope you guys doing pretty good. Got another great video for you folks. So hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. All right, I gotta locate this power line here. And I'm gonna try and make the attempt to locate this. Looks like I got a C and B and C piece coming out of pole. I'm gonna look. Make sure the U-guard's grounded. Been some work done here. You can see right up there, ground's connected to the U-guard. And this is what I talked about, folks. Guys are peeling back these grounds. Like I said before, something ever happens up there and you're on this ground here, on this wire, kiss your ass goodbye. There's no turning back. That's why I said never peel back that ground. Because something up there wants to go bad, it's going to be bad news. Always ground out first. And then put it on the U-guard. I'm gonna try go all the way to Hertz. Right now, you can see I'm on AK. It's low resistance, I'm at 11.6. But now watch when I turn out to Hertz, how many resistance goes up. 320. So I'm on Hertz, and see how my how resistance went up. I'm at 19.4 now. 19.4, so has resistance on the line. That's why I like using AK. It's blowing through the resistance. But let's try 320 on Hertz. See what happens. All right, my locate's over here. So let's see how good 320 picks up. Oh wow, getting a really good tone. 2 feet, 23 milliamps. So when you're using super slow frequencies, low frequencies like this, everything moves slow. So you gotta move slow with it. $25 milliamps. Doing pretty good. It's supposed to turn right in here. So let's see if it turns. $23. Yep, it's turning. See what, now we gotta see what it knows. It's a good positive. Really good null. Right over my power mode marks. So I'm lowering it all the way back. I peaked it out to verify my peak. And here's my peak. And here's my null. Right on top of each other. So in this case here, what I do, like I keep saying, I'll peek it out like I have here. And then when I null it back, I'm going to mark it. Just like this. So wherever my dots are. So for example, I have one dot here, one dot here. I'm marking the outside dots to cover myself, because it could be in here, or it's in this H pattern. So when you guys are using this super low hertz, just remember you could go up higher on your receiver. Like I'm at 86, because I'm pushing out so low frequency, I have to be up higher to pick up the cable. If I'm super low, to say I'm at 65. So now I'm at 65. You could see my stuff start moving because the frequency is so low. I need to bump up my gain on the receiver. So if you're very low on the transmitter, you could be pretty high on the receiver without bleeding off. But you just have to be careful in some areas of congestion. You know, if it's a congested area, you might be picking up other utilities. But in most cases, you should only be able to pick up your target point. All right, folks, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll catch you on the next one.